Hey guys, my name's Connor Martin, and today we're going to talk about 8 mind-blowing AI tools that you probably didn't know exist. And the first one we're going to talk about is called Genspark Super Agent. I'll leave our links to all these down below, but this is a little bit like ChatGPT, but it can do a lot more. It's like ChatGPT on steroids. So look at all the cool things that you can do. You can get slides, so create a presentation, AI sheets, AI docs, a developer to develop apps. There's a designer. We'll go through that a little bit now. Pods, chat, video. So if you want to create videos here, you can do that. Deep research and all the agents. There's tons of agents here. So the cool thing about this is it works a little bit like ChatGPT, but then you can reformat the information as you wish. So for example, you could say, what are the best AI tools? And you'll get a normal chat interface here, but then we can actually transfer that into different formats. So it went out and searched all of these things for me and broke it down, very similar to what ChatGPT did that, or does, works now. But what is different here is you can do so many different things. So like create me a presentation about all of this. So now you see the agent is at work and it's calling the specific agent that will go and create me a presentation. So while it's doing that for me, let's look at some of the other tools here. So the designer is brand new and it's got the new image model from Google. So you can also create podcasts. That's really cool. If you just have, a YouTube video and you want to turn it into a podcast or something like that. The developer feature actually uses Claude Code. So if you're a developer, you know how good Claude Code is, how it works. It creates a to-do list for your app, right? And then it goes off and does everything one by one, except here you can see a preview. So this tool is definitely worth checking out. So let's go back to the presentation. You can see that it's just created all of this. It does have a lot of text. Sometimes you might want to prompt it to say, don't put so much on each slide. I find it's a bit too much, right? You can see here that maybe if you're making a presentation, then that's a bit too much information, right? But you can see it's building it out here. So all I did was say create a presentation and then boom, it's done it for me, and you can publish it over here if you want to. So I think this tool is really helpful for you at work or study. It just worked helpful for so many people. The next tool is actually a browser. So like Chrome, this is called Comet. It's made by Perplexity. So it works a little bit like Google. You just search for anything that you want. So I'll just say, is it raining in New York? Whoops. So it comes up with the answer, a little bit like ChatGPT and Google now. But the cool thing here is this assistant here. So on the right here, you can actually ask anything and ask it to do something. So I could say, make me a 7-day weather forecast for New York. Or you could say, go to different websites and find different temperatures, because I find sometimes they're like different temperatures at different websites. So maybe you want to check them all in one. So you can see here, it's like reviewing all the different sources, and it made me the 7-day forecast. So it can actually take action. So find me an umbrella, a red umbrella on Amazon.com. So you can see now it's going to go out and navigate to Amazon.com, and we could also use the speaking here. So we just need to say whatever it is we want. It'll go to Amazon, find the exact product that we want, and it's just taking those steps, those little clicks. You can see it's actually doing the work for me here. Okay, so it actually gave me all the lists, but I could say navigate, and I could even say and go buy it, but I don't want to try that out right now. Scared. You can see it just navigated. I'm not doing anything here. It just brought me to that website, and there I go. I have the red umbrella that I was looking for. Not really. Okay, so you can imagine the power of this. It can just do so much for you, just searching for things, doing things. That's really what browsers are becoming now. It's like this agent mode where it goes out and does things. I could literally have said, if my Amazon account was signed in, then I could say buy that for me, and it would buy it. I also really love this voice mode. We can just talk to it as well. The next tool I have for you is called Bolt.new, and this one actually creates apps or mobile apps for you. All you need to do is just type in what you want, right? And you can get whatever app it is you want. I have so many videos on this channel about this tool, so you can just go watch some of my other videos if you want to learn how to use it. I also have a community where I'm teaching people how to use the tool to make AI apps. I, for example, made this app. It's like a language learning tool where you can talk to AI teachers. But yeah, really, really powerful app. Even if you don't know how to code, it's definitely worth checking out. Again, all these these links are in the description. Let's move on to tool number 4. So tool number 4 is called Coverr with a double R, right? And this is for all you people who want to create, multimedia with AI, especially if you're creating videos like I do. Look at these cool things. It's an AI video generation tool. You can use it to create images, videos, music, voiceovers. The voiceovers are really good as well. So I find, sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to find good tools. And, this is great because we've just got all the best tools here for us. So for example, like they've got the new Google Nano Banana tool. It's got 400 credits. And then again, we've got like the best tools here. Well, maybe Suno is also good, but we have Google and 11 Labs, which is amazing. But let's test out the voices here.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
So very good voices. You could do just search here, accent, whatever it is you want. Let's try British. I wonder why they have Swedish there.
Just trust yourself. Then you will know how to live.
Okay, could be very good. The amount of use cases for these voices is just insane, of course. I'm using them for my apps, obviously. You can also do sound effects, whatever it is you want. Footsteps, gravel. But yes, so many things. It's got Google VO, which is like the one that you can create videos with sound all in one go. Of course, that's going to be more expensive. That's 8,000 credits for a 60-second video clip. That's going to be quite difficult, but you can see the credits here, how much they cost. So I like that transparency. But there's also tons of videos that the community have already created for you, so you can just search for these and use them. Let's just try this here. So these ones you usually have to pay for extra, these iStock ones, but these are like the AI generated stuff that people have already made. So you can, instead of going and creating your own AI generated food or image every time, I just said food because I saw it there, but you can see it's like people have already made. So yeah, a really cool platform that's just made for people who want to use AI to generate multimedia and voices. So the next tool we have at number 5 is called Lummi.ai, and yeah, it's again one for content creation, tools and stuff to create really cool things with AI. So you can see what the community is creating here. That looks very real to me. You can just download it if you want. And then one of the cool things is like all these are images. For example, you just click this button and then they go to video. That's really cool, I think. Or just use the background removal or restyle the photo if you want as well. So an amazing way to just reuse AI generated art or images from other people. Okay, the next tool I have for you is called Wonda by Wondercraft. So this is mainly for creating any sort of content creation. Again, I guess if you want to create like an app or an ad or something like that, this could be really good. The video mode is not really available yet, but you can see down here the timeline. Let's listen to this.
Scared to speak English out loud? You're not alone. Our app lets you practice safely with real native speakers in a completely judgment-free zone. Download now and start speaking confidently today.
So yeah, that sounds absolutely amazing to me, but you have the AI agent that you can use here to change any way you want, right? So really cool tool as well. And the last tool I have for you is called Manus.im. I use this tool a lot. It does so much research for me. You could just basically, it's very similar to the first tool we saw, but we create images, create slides, web pages, right? You can publish a web page. You can just say like, tell information about you and say, okay, publish a web page about me. Boom, there's your website for you, done in like 5 seconds. You could do spreadsheets. Imagine how useful that could be. Is like, I always just send it off to do research for me, and then you can just add it into a spreadsheet and it will open up a new Google Sheet, and boom, you have that. So really cool. There's more things in the pro plan. This one is wide research. This is a really cool one because you can get out and send 10 different agents off to research things for you at the same time. So very cool.